Today's topic is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the branch of science which deals with the rates of the reactions. Reactions, they can be of different types. Very slow reactions, very fast reactions, or the reactions with the moderate speed. Their rate can be found out by counting or calculating the change in concentration of reactants and products per unit time. Rate of the reaction can be calculated with respect to reactants or with respect to products. We can write down this way: rate of a reaction is equal to decrease in concentration of reactants, upon change in time. Or rate of reaction can be written as increase in concentration of products, upon change in time. For example, one symbolic reaction we can take: A plus B, they are the reactants, they are changing into the products C plus D. Or even more basic, reactants they are changing into products P. So we can write down the rate of the reaction, that is minus change in concentration of reactants. Delta means change, square brackets they show concentration of reactants in moles per liter, upon change in time. That is final concentration of reactant, that is R2, minus initial concentration of reactant R1 upon final time minus initial time of the reaction. Here minus is used because if we write final concentration of the reactant, which is less, and we subtract the more concentration, that was the previous concentration, we get rate with negative sign. So already we are writing negative because rate can't be written as negative because there is no use of it. Same way, we can write down the rate of this same reaction with respect to products also. That also we can write down change in concentration of products upon change in time. Here we have not written minus sign because the final concentration of products is greater as compared to initial concentration of products, because initially concentration of products were 0, upon final time minus initial time. Rate of the reaction can be of two types: average rate of the reaction and instantaneous rate of the reaction. First one is average rate of the reaction. Average rate means the rate of the reaction calculated within some time period. Rate of the reaction calculated within some time interval. Or we can write down this as rate as subscript AB equal to minus delta R by delta T. A bigger change is shown by delta. Or plus delta P by delta T. This is average rate of the reaction within some time interval, or you can say specified time interval. Instantaneous rate of the reaction that is the rate of the reaction at some instantaneous time. Rate at an instant of time, you can say. At an instant of time, or in other words, within a very small time interval. And that is shown by R INST, instantaneous, equal to minus sign for reactants but not delta, D, dr by dt. D shows the very small time interval or at any instant of time. Same way, with respect to product, we can write down instantaneous rate of the reaction or instantaneous, that is dP over dt. This can be written. They can be calculated by graphical method also. But before that, units of rate. Units of rate, if we have taken reactant concentration or product concentration above, so we can write down mole per liter. Their time is there per second. Or we can write down mole per liter per minute or per hour also we can write down. And if gases are taken and their pressures are taken, then also we can write down their units, but here concentration will not be taken in place. It will be atmosphere per unit time or pascals per unit time per second per minute. Any unit can be taken, or bar per unit time. These are the units of rate. Now we have to do graphical method to find out rate of the reaction.